In today's fast-paced digital world, shippers require real-time visibility into their supply chains. Accurate data about railcar location, condition, and health is a must. Until now, railcar owners have worked independently to implement telematics technology and sensors, but the process has been slow, and data is disjointed and incomplete, and often create data gaps that make it harder to compete. Shippers questioned the data, and customers were frustrated. Until now. RailPulse is uniting telematics vendors by setting standards that ensure data consistency and high-quality data, which allows vendors to drive innovation, creating a competitive marketplace and innovative technologies. Now, let's hear from our RailPulse Certified Telematics Vendors.
I think for us overall, this unified initiative with RailPulse to look at ways to drive innovation forward and bring it to a bigger piece of the market, the shippers, the lessees, the lessors, and so on, I think is a critical factor. And the Class 1 railroads themselves are the indirect benefactors of deploying this kind of technology. So we're excited that RailPulse is unifying all these different stakeholders all at the same time. It's a matter of just putting more commitment behind this push to make sure that people can embrace and understand how this value is going to get created and how it's going to get distributed across all those stakeholders.
Being part of RailPulse has proven to Nexiot that without competition, innovation will stagnate. We welcome competition because it drives the very competitive nature within Nexiot to be the leader and maintain market share. We understand that every day there's new competitors bringing unique situations to the market, and we must continue to develop new technology that drives the innovation and provides the end user with the visibility and transparency into their assets, allowing for returns on their investment and improving asset utilization.
We're excited to be a part of the RailPulse initiative because of our willingness really from the customer side of things and the industry to test new technologies. This is allowing us to innovate at a faster pace. We're getting good real-time feedback from both the end users, the suppliers, as well as in certain cases, the competition of what they're doing to get to an end solution faster.
ZTR is real excited about being part of RailPulse. We know that RailPulse is doing something unique here, bringing members from the whole industry together into one spot, trying to solve a unique need, not for just one member, but for the whole industry. And we know that momentum really happens from that kind of movement, and we're excited. I think the other thing they've done is really pushed us. They've brought in a number of different vendors, challenged us to think about how we're going to provide solutions that they specifically have laid out, but not limited us in how we're going to provide those solutions. And that's where I think innovation comes into play.
Railcars are equipped with telematics sensors to collect and transmit standardized data to the RailPulse platform. Real-time data about railcar location, condition, and health is generated from the railcar's sensors. This data is securely transmitted to the cloud, where it is enriched with other railcar data, standardized and securely stored. That data is then delivered to the shipper, allowing them to view their railcar data on any device. Equipping shippers with these invaluable insights amplifies their supply chain visibility, but also helps them make swift and well-informed decisions. As an industry-wide, end-to-end platform, the RailPulse Coalition serves the entire community of rail shippers, railcar lessors, and railroads. Join the RailPulse Coalition and be a part of this important rail industry transformation. Visit railpulse.com today.